we're gonna do a 30-day push-up challenge. Let's get started. Alright. I don't really know how to start this, but when I start this 30 days push-up challenge, my goal was fixing my posture. When I go through my YouTube comment, sometimes I pick up people are saying you might have a back problem because my kitchen table is low and my posture is not that good. And a lot of climbers have a round shoulder issue. So to prevent the round shoulder, I had to do the push-up. That's why I started doing this push-up. I wanted to fix my posture and prevent getting round shoulder. Right before I start the day one, I wanna document my body. It's kind of so whole people gonna look at my body now. My coworker is following me, so they're basically see me naked. 이거 보고 있으면 무조건 뒤로 가기 눌러야 돼, 알았지? Because I'm super embarrassed. Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, this is what I look like, as fat as possible, and wait, I need some lighting! Is this the light? I can't see it, my eye's not that good. This isn't what I look like. I need some cool lighting. Okay. Oh, that lighting is better. Look, your coworkers are watching. This is what I look like, and I'm gonna start doing 100 push-ups every day for 30 days. And today is September 1st, and I'm gonna do the first push-ups. Since the last 6 months, I've been doing a rock climbing. I never worked out my chest, so this is pretty hard. 아우! 너무 힘든데? 가지 말까? 안돼, 안돼, 안돼.
Nope.
안돼. One more. I just finished day one of this challenge and I'm dying. It hurts so much. My chest is dead. I think. I think I'm gonna be so sore tomorrow and I'm not sure I can keep this thing up for 30 days, so let's see what I can do. See you tomorrow. The hardest part of this challenge was there's no break in a 30 days. That's insane. I have some lives. Something's going on in my life. I have a full-time job and I work in Korea, so we have company dinner. I still remember. It is day 8 and it is 11:34 right now. And I just got back from the work and I didn't do the push-ups yet, so I'm a little drunk, but I gotta do the push-ups now. I drank a lot, so I really wanted to not film, and I really wanted to skip a day off, but I couldn't because it's a 30 days straight challenge, so I had to do it. It was really hard. Yeah, it smells like alcohol, right? Alcohol, beer attack. It is way harder after you drink. I just finished day 8. Gotta go to sleep. Good night. That
that was the real hardest. That wasn't the hardest time, but that was the time that I wanted to give up the most. But hardest time? It was a day 3 or day 4. My whole body was sore, so I couldn't even do 10 push-ups.
너무 아픈데? This is too hard. 뭐 못하겠네. I just did 3 and I can't do it. 잠깐만. 진짜 너무 아픈데. I just did 10 and I can't do it more. It's like a million times harder than yesterday.
That was like a really hard, like physically. But mentally, the after company dinner was the hardest part. And easiest part of this challenge was there's nothing else you need to do it. When I started this challenge, day 1, I think it took about a little over 20 minutes to finish the challenge. But after like a day 15 or after 2 weeks, I think it took about like 6 to 7 minutes to finish. 7 minutes of your day? That's pretty much like nothing.
Day 13 and I'm super hungry and I want to have a protein shake. So to have a protein shake, I'm gonna do the push-ups. Mochi, I'm gonna do push-up without you. Mochi! It only takes 6 minutes and 20 seconds. That's very cool.
When I started this challenge, I thought just my body will change, but somehow it ended up like making a relationship with the Mochi. When I started doing push-ups, I really like looking at the mirror and checking myself out because it's kind of changing. But after like a week or 2, I started push-up with the Mochi on my back. And Mochi, did you hear yourself? That's why you're looking at me? I started doing push-ups with Mochis on my back, and it was more fun. Like more than a challenge, it was having a really fun time with your family. I feel like I got so much closer with Mochi.
It is day 19 and I just got back from the climbing. Come on. Now I don't even need to ask him to come. He just likes to sit here. Stay. Good boy, Mochi. Good boy. It's day 22 and I'm making dinner right now. So let's do it before the chicken is cooked. Mochi, are you excited? Are you excited? Mochi. Yeah. Mochi, come. Good boy. Down. Okay. Thank you. Let's go. Mochi. Good. Mochi, stay. No. Mochi, come. Yes. Yeah. Down. Stay.
When I set my tripod on the ground, he started freaking out and started attacking me. He actually poked my eye with his nail, and it was very hurtful. Mochi.
It is day 28 and almost 11 p.m. and I just got home and super tired. I just want to skip it and do it 200 tomorrow. 기다려. I gotta keep my promise. So before I don't have energy to do it with you today. You poke my shit. You poke my eyes. 하지마. 진짜 거짓말이야. 거짓말이야. 진짜 you poke my eye, dude. Stop. Hey, if my eye wasn't small, I would be blind by now. 하지마. 혼난다. 기다려.
You like me more after the challenge, right? When I started my challenge, it was my summer vacation. So me and Sarah went to a glamorous camp. And once we went there, it was pouring a lot. There was like a typhoon like coming right next to it, and I had to do the push-ups. So I did 100 push-ups in a typhoon. Like literally typhoon.
Hello guys, it's second day of my challenge. I'm gonna have some barbecue and a beer and a soju. Before I start eating, I wanna finish this challenge. So I'm gonna do push-ups in the rain. Pouring a lot. What kind of dummy do push-ups in the rain? Day 2 ended! What? Oh, okay. Yeah. Day 2 ended! Oh, fuck!
After 30 days, I gained 0.1 kilogram of the muscle, lost 0.2 kilogram of body fat. So it wasn't really dramatic result like other YouTubers. When I see the other YouTubers, they have gotten like really dramatic results. So I was kind of disappointed when I saw it. But I'm pretty sure my posture was bad, or I wasn't eating enough, or I did something wrong. But unless I gained muscle and lost some fat, I'm happy with it. Even though I had a washi, went out late with my friends, and went on vacation, I didn't even take single break. So I was super proud of myself, even though I didn't get the results. I'm not sure it's because of this push-up challenge. My climbing skill got so much better, and I feel like my posture got better. So I really want to keep doing, but I'm not sure I can do like without breaks. I need some breaks. So I'm gonna do push-ups on a regular basis, but I don't think I will do like another 30-day challenge. When I have a washi or on a vacation, I need some time to take a break. I don't want to get stressed about it. I would definitely recommend this challenge to you guys. I don't want to be the only one who's suffering, so let's suffer it together. No, I'm just kidding. Like, when I look at the picture before and after, I actually gained muscle. My pack got wider and thicker and more shapes, and somehow I got more abs. So I think it works. Just not dramatic like others, but I definitely got results. So I'll definitely recommend you to do it. And that's it for today's episode, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. This kind of video is pretty new to me, and I really like challenge, so I want to do more challenge videos. And if you guys want me to do another challenge, please let me know in the comment down below. Then I'll definitely do it in a future video. See you next week. 안녕! This is it for today's episode, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'm definitely planning to do more challenges and do other stuff except cooking. So if you guys want me to do some challenge like this, please let me know in the comment down below. 안녕!